I use my pivot points every day when trading on the stock exchange. Let me show you my pivot point on the chart right now, and you can tell me whether it was possible to make money on it or not. In front of you is the chart of the Swiss franc, the pair dollar Swiss franc, and here you can see the rising support line. Look, the price has bounced off the support line 3 times. First on February 22, then it touched it on February 29th, and then it approached this line again on March 6th and broke this line. It would seem that if the price broke the support line, how can you make money on it? Watch the video to the end, and you will find out how I make money on it. The time frame is very important. See, this chart is on the H4 time frame, which means that each candle has a period of 4 hours. And on this chart, it looks like the price has broken the support line. But is that really the case? On the H4 time frame, yes. But if you look at another time frame, like M30, it looks like the price has broken away from the support line. We've capitalized on that. Let's look at this zone. I call it a reversal zone, and I open the M30 time frame. That is, each candle is 30 minutes. And here I see that the price, when it approached the support line, it almost exactly broke away from the support line and the price reversed upwards. The retracement from the support line was, as you can see, 170 pips. This means that if you trade at least one standard lot, you can earn $170 literally in a few minutes. By the way, even $100 is enough to trade one lot. I, of course, do not recommend this. It is better to have a bigger deposit. However, the broker gives you this opportunity. If you do not know what a lot is, I have a lot of free videos on my channel. Be sure to watch them. And if you want to do it more professionally, you should definitely take my course for free. When you deposit your brokerage account, I have a broker of your choice at the link in the description. You get my course for free. Detailed conditions are at the link in the description. So, on March 6th, it was possible to earn $170 per lot on the dollar-franc pair when buying from the support line. That is, we bought here, the price rose, and we earned on the growth. And what other currency pairs can you make money on this week? Let me show you the charts and my reversal points, and you can make money with me. For example, the British pound to dollar pair is about to give us an opportunity to make money. See? Right now, it is in an uptrend. It has broken through the resistance line and stopped out a little bit. Once there is a correction back to the resistance line, that line will mirror the support line. I'm a big fan of mirror support lines, by the way. And this is where you can buy and capitalize on the upside. That is, as soon as the price approaches this support line, already mirrored, here you can buy and make money on the growth of the British pound against the dollar. However, I want to warn you, this does not mean that the pound will go down right now. For example, if you open the economic news calendar, you will see that on Wednesday, March 13th at 10 a.m., Britain will have a news. GDP data, and the previous reading was -0.1% and the forecast is 4.2%. What does this mean for us as traders? The GDP growth indicates a positive trend, which means it is good news for Britain. That means that at the time of the news release, if the data is higher than predicted, it means that the British pound may still rise against the US dollar. Let's take a look at the chart. See, right now, the British pound is in an uptrend, which means that if positive news comes out, the trend is likely to continue. But why do we need to watch the economic calendar? If the price of the pound is near the support line and technical analysis predicts a rise, but the news is bad, the price could go down or show high volatility, which could lead to losses on stop orders. To enter a trade more professionally, it is advisable to combine fundamental analysis and technical analysis. If fundamental and technical analysis converge in the growth of the British pound, it strengthens our position and increases the chances of profit. Let's see how this can win on the chart. If the price reaches the support line and the news about the pound is positive, both technical and fundamental analysis point to its growth. Thus, we will enter the trade with a higher probability of making a profit. And in order not to miss such important news, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I am 30 minutes before the release of important news on which I earn myself and our whole community. I give you a heads up on important news. Keep in mind, even if you don't trade on the news, it's important to be subscribed to my channel so that, for example, you don't trade at the time of the news release. That's important too. Many of my trainees know how important it is, especially at the initial stage, to learn not to lose and then to earn. Therefore, in order not to lose on different news, strong volatility, it is important to be subscribed to my Telegram channel and to know about the release of important news. What other trading instruments give us the opportunity to make money on reversal points? Let's take a look at gold. Gold has been in an uptrend lately. Many users of my buy-sell trading robot have paused trading or are waiting to wait out the volatility in gold prices and continue to make money, as they did a few weeks ago. Look, an important level was broken, a resistance level, and now the price is just above that level. Let's look at the M30 timeframe. The purple line shows the resistance level is 21.49. When the price returns to this level, it can return to it very quickly. From here we can buy and capitalize on the upside. The only thing to note is that gold coming back can come back very quickly, very strongly. Therefore, this line can both give good money for upward correction and can be quickly broken. So be sure to use stop loss risk limits so you don't lose money. But gold is one of my favorite instruments to make money on, and it always gives good profits. If you haven't tried my trading robot yet, be sure to follow the link in the description. Write to me in Telegram, I will tell you how to get it for free. Let's take a look at oil now. By the way, oil is in a sideways trend right now, and it is possible to run a trading robot in buy and sell mode at the same time. Watch this right now. The price is in this gorgeous sideways trend. It has already hit the resistance line several times. I think it is going to give us money many times, give us a profit by correcting from the resistance line. Now notice, look, it's already bounced a few times. So as soon as it reaches the resistance line once again, we can sell once again and make money on the decline. This is such a multiple reversal point. Well, there is also a support line here. That is, as soon as the price reaches the support line, you can buy from it and make money on growth. A reversal point is a zone where the price reaches the resistance or support line and breaks away from this line. How to build these resistance support lines more professionally? I tell you more precisely on my professional course. But if you don't have such an opportunity, you can subscribe to my channel and get free information every week. Every Monday I post my reversal points for free for you to trade and make money. See Euro pair. The Australian dollar is starting to paint an interesting picture. It's been in a downtrend, now it's in a strong upward correction. That's a sign of a trend reversal, by the way, but that's in the long term. And in the short term, we can see that the lows have formed a support line like this. And as soon as the price reaches this support line, you can buy from it and make money on growth. Here we can buy and make money on the growth with the birch square. Let me show it closer on M30. And also, if the price goes down here, a resistance line will be formed from above. Now it is powerless, but when the price falls, it will gain strength and become a new pivot point for selling. Then, when returning to this level, it will be possible to sell and make money on the fall. In general, you can build these support and resistance lines on your own, watching my videos, learning for free. But the main thing to keep in mind is that my trading strategy is scalping intraday. That is, I use reversal points very short term. That is, I use a short movement, but with a large volume. Thus, I only need a small movement to capitalize on a retracement from a line or resistance. Finally, let's look at the dollar-Japanese yen pair. By the way, there will be news on it too. Note that the price broke through the mirror support line and is now trading below it. As soon as it comes back to this resistance line, it will be the mirror resistance line, which has already been mirrored twice, from which it will be possible to sell and make money on the decline. Right now the dollar is under pressure, so predominantly generally this week, I guess, it is better to sell the dollar in the next 2-3 weeks. That is to look for reversal points to sell the dollar. That is, either to buy the rest of any currency pairs, which are quoted to the dollar. But the Japanese yen is a quoted pair. That is, the dollar goes first, then the Japanese yen. Therefore, it is better to sell this pair dollar and Japanese yen. That's all for now. I wish you a successful trading week. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Profit everyone.